Hello students, welcome to my next video lecture series on interpolation. This is today I am going to explain the Lagrange's interpolation formula. This is the another method for Lagrange's. This is another method for interpolation with unequal intervals. Here you see that method given a list of n plus 1 values of a function y is equal to f of x, namely f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2, etc., f of xn, corresponding to the arguments x naught, x1, x2, etc., xn. You see that in bracket, not necessary equally spaced. Then fx can be assumed as a polynomial of degree n such that the n minus 1th differences are 0. This is given by fx equal to, directly I am giving formula. You see that fx can be written as in the numerator x minus x1, x minus x2, etc., x minus xn. In the denominator x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, etc., x naught minus xn, f of x naught this into f of x naught plus x minus x naught into bracket x minus x2, etc., x minus xn divided by x1 minus x naught here, x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2, etc., x1 minus xn into f of x1 here. You see that f of x1 here starts from x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2 like that. Here x1 minus x1, it is absent here, okay, it becomes 0. So like that you see that plus etc., write like this. Finally x minus x naught, x minus x1, etc., x minus xn minus 1 divided by xn minus x naught, xn minus x1, etc., xn minus xn minus 1 here, f of into f of xn. Okay, you observe carefully, you get this. So the formula, this is known as a Lagrange's interpolation formula. Okay. Points to be noted that in the above formula we can use symbol y0, y1, y2, etc., yn respectively for f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2, etc., f of xn. Example 1, you see that on this Lagrange's interpolation formula, relating to Lagrange's interpolation formula for unequal intervals. Use Lagrange's formula to find a polynomial given that these are x values 0, 2, 3, 6, fx value or y values 648, 704, 729, 792. For x equal to 6, y fx equal to 792. Hence find f of 5, maybe ask like. So take here x naught is 0, first value that is x naught, second value x1, x1 equal to 2, third value x2, 3, x3 is 6. So similarly in the below f of x naught is y naught, there is f of x naught or y naught equals 648, y1 704, y2 is 729, y3 is 792. We have Lagrange's formula, above Lagrange's formula you have to write, that is fx equal to x minus x1, you know that x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 here, only here x3 up to x3 here, x naught to x3 values are here. So x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 use. In the denominator x naught minus x1, x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, x naught minus x3, here y naught or f of x naught this is, okay. In the numerator x is replaced by x naught here, okay, into y naught, okay. Similarly by seeing the nature of this you can write. Next one, x minus x naught, it starts from x1, it starts from x minus x naught. Next x minus x1 is absent here, x minus x1 is absent, x minus x2 you have to write directly, x minus x2 and x minus x3. Whatever you have written in the numerator, in the denominator x is replaced by x1 here, okay. X1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3. Here you write into y1 now f of x1 you have to write, plus next one x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x3, x minus x2 is absent here, okay. You see that in the denominator here x is replaced by x2, x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 into y2 or f of x2 here. Next plus next one x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2. So x3 is absent here. In the denominator x is replaced by x3 here. x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2 into y of 3 into y3 or f of x3. Okay. This is the Lagrange's formula for this given problem. Substitute all the values fx equal to x minus 2, here x0 is 2, very first x1 is 2, substitute all the values x1, x2, x3 for the first x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 6 divided by 0 minus 2, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 6, y naught value f of x naught value, that is 648. So substituting all these values here, okay, x naught value, wherever x naught you substitute x naught, x1, x2, wherever x3 you substitute all the values, okay. In the same way y1, y naught value, y1 value, y2 value, y3 value, okay, substitute here. So simplifying this by using calculator, expanding in numerator all three brackets, we get in the first bracket minus 18 into bracket x cube minus 11x square plus 36x minus 36 plus second one 88 into bracket x cube minus 9x square plus 18x minus 81 into bracket x cube minus 8x square plus 12x plus 11 into bracket x cube minus 5x square plus 6x, okay. If you separately write coefficient of x cube, all you write separately by taking x cube ka 1, that is minus first bracket minus 18 is the coefficient of x cube, second bracket plus 88 is the coefficient of x cube, like this. You correct the coefficient of x cube, correct the coefficient of x square, correct the coefficient of x, last constant, independent terms. Okay, then simplifying we get first one 0 into x cube, second minus 1 into x square, third one plus 30 into x, plus last one 648 as it is. So fx equal to, finally after simplifying, fx equal to minus x square plus 30x plus 648 is the required polynomial. If they asked f of 5, put x equal to 5 here, both side. F of 5 equal to minus 5 square plus 30 into 5 plus 648. Simplifying this, you get f of 5 value is 773. Okay. You see one more next example, example 2. The following table gives the normal weights of the babies during the first few months of life. In the first row, age in months 2, 5, 8, 10, 12. In the second row, weight in kgs, kilograms 4.4. When age is 2, weight is 4.4 kilograms. When age is 5, weight is 6.2 kilograms. When age is 8 years, weight is 6.7 kgs, kilograms. When age is 10, weight is 7.5 kilograms. When age is 12, weight is 8.7 kilograms. They ask to estimate by Lagrange's method, that is Lagrange's interpolation formula with unequal intervals. Okay, by Lagrange's method, the normal weight of a baby of 7 months old. 7 months. Okay, these are age in months. Solution, you see that let x equal to age of a baby in months, fx equal to weight in kgs, kilograms. Then the given data can be written as in the table of x fx. You have seen x is age in months. Okay, x you take 2, 5, 8, 10, 12. Fx weight in kgs, kilograms. Fx you say 4.4, 6.2, 6.7, 7.5, 8.7. Okay. Then by Lagrange's formula we have, you know that this is x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4. This is f of x naught or y naught. Y naught equal to 4.4, y1 equal to 6.2, y2 is 6.7, y3 is 7.5, y4 is 8.7. Okay. Directly used by Lagrange's formula, directly I am substituting. X minus x1 starts from x minus x1, x1 is 5, substitute directly x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, x minus x4, x4 is 12, like this. In the denominator, x is replaced by x naught here, so x naught is 2, so 2 minus 5, 2 minus 8, 2 minus 10, 2 minus 12, x is replaced by x naught here. Here y naught value of f of x naught value, that is 4.4, like this. In the second here you have to write x minus x1 here, x minus x naught, x1 is absent. Here x minus x1 start, here x minus x naught, then x minus x2, x minus x3, x minus x4, only 4 brackets. Okay, 4 terms. Divided by wherever x in the numerator replaced by x1 here. Okay, 5, x1 is 5, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 8, 5 minus 10, 5. Here you have to write y1 value, that is f of x1 value 6.2 here. Okay, like this. The next here x minus x naught, x minus x2, x minus x2 here, x minus x1, x minus x1, okay, but x minus x2 is absent, x minus x2, x directly x minus x3, x minus x4. Okay, in the numerator x is replaced by here x3, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 5, 8 minus 10, 8 minus 12. X naught, x1, x2, x2, okay, x is replaced by x2 here. Here x3 absent here, x minus 2, it is x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 is absent here, x minus x4 directly, x minus x4. In the denominator, wherever x you replace x by x3, it is x naught, x1, x2, x3, like this. 10 minus 2, 10 minus 5, 10 minus 8, 10 minus 12 into 7.5. This is a f of what is x3, f of x3. Here f of x naught, x1, x2, x3, 7.5. Last one plus last x4 is absent, x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3. Wherever x here replaced by, it is x4 value, 12 minus 2, 12 minus 5, 12 minus 8, 12 minus 10 into f of x4, that is f of x4, 8.7, that is y 8.7 you have to substitute. So simplifying all these, finally you get substituting all the values, simplifying. So here they asked x value 7 months, x is 7, x equal to 7, f of 7 equal to f of 7, here you substitute x minus 5 is that is 7 minus 5 is 2, 7 minus 8 is minus 1, 7 minus 10 is minus 3, 7 minus 12 is minus 5, like this. Wherever x, substitute 5, 7, okay, 7. You get all these values, okay. Then simplifying, you get f of 7, finally first value minus 0.09 plus 1.48 plus 6.98 minus 2.34 plus 0.47. So, f of 7 equal to 6.5 kilograms you get, this is the value. These are the examples for practicing. Example 3, example 4, a similar type, where answer also have given, you can compare. Okay. Next, inverse interpolation. Given a list of values f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2, etc., f of xn of a function y is equal to f of x corresponding to the arguments x naught, x1, x2, etc., xn, not necessarily equally spaced. Then the process of finding the value of x corresponding to which y is equal to fx takes the value yr is known as inverse interpolation. The Lagrange's interpolation formula with a modification can be used for this purpose on interchanging the role of x and y. In the Lagrange's interpolation formula, we get xy equal to wherever in the above formula, wherever x is replaced by y is replaced by, okay, x of y. Okay. In the above formula you write this is x equal to value, or the fx equal to you have written, or y equal to you have written. Here x equal to you have to write. Interchange the value x and y. Okay. xy equal to y minus y naught, y minus y2, etc., y minus y1 divided by y naught minus y1, y naught, like this. Okay. Here in the place of y naught, x naught comes here. Okay. Similarly x1, xn, like this. This is known as Lagrange's inverse interpolation formula. You see that one example relating to this, example 1, find the value of x for which fx equal to 15 by using Lagrange's inverse interpolation formula. Given that x values 5, 6, 9, 11, fx value 12, 13, 14, 16. Take x naught is 5, x1 is 6, x2 is 9, x3 is 11, y naught is 12, y1 is 13, y2 is 14, y3 is 16. We have xy above formula, use write above mentioned, wherever x in the above, y you have to write y minus y1, y minus y2, y minus 3 divided by y naught minus y1, y naught minus y2, y naught minus y3, x naught here. Okay. Similarly, we write all this x1, x2, x3, substitute all the values, y values here, x values, x naught value, x1 values here, substituting all the values, simplifying, we get x y is they asked fx equal to 15, fx equal to 15, x of 15. Okay. Here y value substitute 15, y value substitute 15, wherever y you substitute 15. Okay. X of 15, so simplifying you get this, okay, by using calculator. Finally x equal to, it means x value at y equal to 15, that is x equal to 1.25 minus 6 plus 13.5 plus 2.75, this is equal to finally if you add all this you get 11.5, for which y equal to 15. Okay. This is one example relating to this. Second example I have given for left for exercising for you. You can practice. Okay. Similar way you get the answer also I have given 1.85714. Okay. With this this completes. Okay. In the next video I will continue the next syllabus. Okay. Thank you.